11.2.2 Average. Essential question. What is the difference between average and weighted average? Skill. I can find the average given a set of values. What is the average of the numbers 53, 72, 87, 99, and 100? First, we need the formula for average. To find the arithmetic average, you find the sum of the terms and divide it by the number of terms. Let's go ahead and do that here. So A equals 53 plus 72 plus 87 plus 99 plus 100, all divided by the number of terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 things here, so there's 5 terms. We're going to divide by 5. When we add these numbers together, we get 411. And then if we divide by 5, it's going to equal 82.2. So the average is 82.2. Could also round down to 82. Skill. I could find a weighted average given a set of numbers. Minor grades are worth 30% and major grades are worth 70%. If Stephanie has minor grades of 100, 25, 260, and major grades of 50, 70, and 85, what is Stephanie's class average? This is a weighted average. The formula is different. For a weighted average, you multiply the weight of each part or collection of parts and then divide by the total weight. To do this, we'll write it out here. The first part is worth 30%. In standard form, that is 0.3. We want to find the average of the first part. These numbers right here are part of the first part. We'll add those together and divide by the number of terms. 100 plus 25 plus 200 plus 60 all over 4. And then we'll do the second part, the 70%. In standard form, that's 0.7. Find the average of those 3. 50 plus 70 plus 85 divide by 3. And then we divide by the total weight. 0.3 plus 0.7 is 100%. Let's go ahead and find the averages of each of the 2 parts. For the first one, we get an average of 96.25, and then the average for the second part, we get about 68.3. Now let's rewrite them and evaluate. 0.3 times 96.25 plus 0.7 times 68.3. And then we divide by 1, and it will be the same number. So we don't need to write that. So that'll come out to be about 77. So that means that Stephanie has a 77% in class. Answer the essential question. What are the differences between finding an average and finding a weighted average? Once you do that, also go ahead and try the other examples below.